slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some modestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving.
Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. Ha? Good night to each and everyone. Oyasumi nasai. Babush. Thank you.
Welcome to Call Up Gangs members of Janet 25 Vlog. Please subscribe and click the bottom bell to my members Angelo Zeki, Farchelvian Consejo, Manning MJ, Daryl Rago, Metal Joy Vlog, Droiden 286 Mix Vlog, NT Marga Vlog, Nori OFW, Rosie Ross Bongski Bong Mix Vlog, You, Gene Mix Vlog 23, Lonnie Matter, Tama Holland, Lily Boy and Family Vlog, Simply My Labs, Editor Ronnie, Berlin's in One, Show Vlog Channel, Genius Key TV Mr. So, Admin, John Mike Birang, Briggs Channel, Mary Yahoo, Mysterious _ Way Love, Myrno Adro, Rayhan Percoso, Mysterious 06 Way 20, and May Caramel. Thank you for your love and support from host Janet 25 Vlog. God bless us all. Welcome to Janet 25 Vlog. Please click the bottom bell. Janet 25 Vlog content is singing Tatakao contest, cover song exploring Japan video, live streaming tape Kaikahan morning. Please hug my Janet 25 Vlog Lab Gangs members. Please subscribe to my members. Tanya Lamoda Vlog, Vincent Bayaga, Jenny JVB Channel, Dimari Mar, Lori May TPA, Coolitz Rose, Murray Mate Alat Ali Vlog, SK Per Team Mix Vlog, Page K LPV, Lady One Team PP, Lisa Butt, Charlene, Hopi A Power. Thank you for your love and support to Janet 25 Vlog. Enjoy my freebies, your channel, enjoy YouTube. God bless us all.
Ayan, may paparinig lang ako sa inyo. Naririnig niyo to? Okay? May parinig lang ako sa inyo. Naririnig niyo? Pakinggan niyo.
si Janet 25. Ang aming bituin sa puso namin ikaw ang number one din. Hero Janet, ikaw ang the best. Sa Japan, ikaw ang aming happiness. Walang ang kwento, huwag kang itigil. Kasama mo kami sa bawat lupang
Kaya salamat sa iyong vlog na kay ganda. Si Janet 25, walang kapantay talaga. Mag-like, magsuportahan ka, dahil ikaw ang reyna ng Japan. O diba?
Ewan kilit, bitaw ang madalas. Sa kaban, ikaw ang awin at ipes. Yung magden mo, magkakilipin. Kasama mo kami sa bawat pagpagin.
Papuputo mo ako. Ay, gawa to ni ano? Gawa ito ni Rayhan. Ayan. Ano to? May jingle na. Ano, di ba? Yan, ano, hindi ko pa siya na-download kasi dito sa StreamYard. Kaya hindi ko pa siya na-play kasi nandun siya sa email ko. So, dinownload ko lang siya sa akin sa telepono muna. O, di ba? Congratulate nyo naman si, ano, si Rayhan. Kay Rayhan gawa yan sa akin. Ginawa niya yan sa akin nung isang araw. Di ba? Rayhan, thank you very much. Ha? Actually, may video pa yan eh. Ginawan ko ng video. Kaso lang natatakot ako i-upload kasi baka mapalo ako ni Lolo. Kasi di ba AI yan siya. Dapat ipipremiere ko yan this week eh. Thank you, Rayhan. Ida-download ko yan, Rayhan. Akala ko kakandidato ka si ate. Congratulations, Rayhan. Di ba ganda, di ba? Okay naman. Di ba gandahan kaya ako? Ibuto na yan sa Japan. Ibuto na yan sa Japan. Oy, ano na lang to kayo ha? Saan to? Tan mahaba na yung oras natin. Mag-up 4 hours. Idoblihin mo na lang to, Joanne. Times 2 kayo ngayon. Sino nandyan ngayon? Ibuto na yan sa Japan niya ako. Good job, Rayhan. Di ba po? Oo, at least, di ba? Ang bilis niya yan ginawa. Mabilis niya lang inano sa AI. Hindi nga ako marunong yan eh. Kaya yan. Maraming salamat sa inyo ha. At saka, sino-sino nandyan? Kopya ate. Si times 2 mo na lang ngayong araw na to. Si Jenny Jane ha. Si ano, si Dawan. Wala na si Dawan. Tapos si ano, kayo nandyan. Times 2. Hala, first responder garage. Thank you for staying my live ha. Ka-brothers, mega love shout out. Present pa rin yan si Karo Brothers. Ayan, ble. Ganda, di ba, Rayhan? Salamat, Rayhan, ha? Sa effort. Sige po, ate. Ayan, maraming salamat, May. Ayan, maraming salamat. Ang ganda kaya ng ginawa ni Rayhan. Natuwa kaya ako. Kasi lang pagsabi ni Joanna sa AI, hindi pwede. Natakot naman ako yung AI kasi yun eh. Sa'yo, May, okay naman yun, di ba? Ginawa sa'yo. Ayan, maraming salamat and good night to each and everyone po, ha? Maraming salamat and bye-bye. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye. Good night na tayo. Good night na to talaga. Maganda yan, nakalagay sa sasakyan, tapos malakas ang speaker para tatakbo ka ng ano, presidente. Ayos ka rin aso na. FRG, later I will go to your channel. Wow, Rayhan, thank you ha. Bye-bye years po. Jenny Jane, thank you very much ha. Georgina, Ako lang to, Joanne, Rayhan, yan. Sa lahat po, Kuya Joel, maraming salamat po sa lahat ng umakyat kay Janet 25 Vlog. And good night to each and everyone. By years, bye! Thank you very much. Teka muna ang aking telepono kasi magbabayers. Wala, ang ganda, di ba? Dali lang ha, wait lang, hanapin ko lang yung aking ano. Kaya natuwa naman ako. Masipag si Rayhan mag-ano. Ayan, maraming salamat sa inyo lahat. Good night to each and everyone. Bye-bye! Soon, bye-bye. Ibutuin niyo po ako. Gagal. Umilit ka pa soon. August compose ako for Love Gangs. O sige, gawa ka ng para sa Love Gangs sa Rayhan ha. O sige. Thank you very much and good night to each and everyone. 8 million amusing people. Maraming salamat. Bye!